Welcome back to ArkDesign.ai. This is part 3 of the crash course tutorial. You can follow along with Ditty as she completes recreating the 2024 SARA National AI Award-winning project designed by GF55 Architects.
Now, this is the last top floors. So join me to create these top floors. And by that, you're actually completing your building. So we just built the typical, then we went to the ground floor, commercial floor, the first setback or the second type of residential floor, and now we're going to build the third. So we need to select the floor and then create the floor above, a different type of floor. So add a new floor type above the floor we selected. So we'll call it setback 2. And you see, it has a different color, but we would like it to be, oh, what did I do? Let's undo. Okay. We're selecting that new floor, and with a plus, we're adding more floors. We want to have a 23-story building. And again, clicking and selecting that floor, and now we can actually edit. And you see it. So let's select the front units, holding the control key and erasing all of the front, and leaving the back units more or less the same as it was. So just moving this one here and creating, instead of the studio, we would like to have 100% one bedrooms here. Let's click on that unit and regenerate so we can have an additional bedroom, and it's a 1 bedroom. And now we need to grab the wall and do a 10 feet setback here. Double click on the dot, we'll eliminate it. And now we can regenerate only the units here. So clicking on this area, selecting it, AI generate. And now here, we're designing only the blue area. We would like to have 50% studios and 50% 1 bedrooms. And we're using 9 out of 10 rooms, so we're fine. We didn't exceed the 10 rooms. And let's AI generate our plans and see what the system will give us. So we would actually like to have a bit less apartments. So let's do it numeric. And because it's really, really tiny units, let's just do 2 studios and 2 1 bedrooms. And no, we need to do it again. So let's again do it. Select, erase those units. Make sure you're not clicking on the rooms, but on the unit. And erasing all of the units. And again, let's AI generate. And we would like to have 50% and 50%. But we would not like to maximize it. Yeah, now it's actually great. 2 studios and 2 bedroom. Let's make sure that's what the system will give us. And now this is, it tries to optimize. So it gave us 2 bedrooms. So let's fix it. So we would like to have our 1 bedroom here. And let's create this unit as a studio. Let's just play with it a bit. So that's a studio, and this one would be a big 1 bedroom. So a studio and another studio and a 1 bedroom. So I think that's perfect. So let's regenerate, but we want just 1 studio. So we would like to have nice big rooms. And I think that's actually, let's make this unit a bit larger here. Yeah, play with it a bit. But I think that's perfect. Let's go back to the section, to the schematic section, and to the 3D. And now we can see our beautiful building. And we can go to the building information and see all the tables done for us automatically. And we see that the first floor has both commercial and residential, and we can see all of our unit mix. So we're having a total of 176 units, 44 studios, 110 one bedroom, and 22 two bedrooms. And we have all of our metrics, gross, net, and everything done for us. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to send us to export the PDF. Let me show you how to do it. Once it's ready and you're going back to the schematic section, you can just file and export the PDF. Once you have your PDF report, send it to us and get certified. And we are looking forward to see your work. You can also create many other types of floors and be more creative. And we're looking forward to see your projects. Thank you so much for joining me, and good luck with your work.